From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good morning. I'm Penn State meteorologist Dominic bringing you today's wonderful weather for the day, along with this weather-filled week. So we can see at Beaver Stadium today, it's 27 degrees outside currently with overcast skies. Not many peaks of sunshine in the air, but we're going to take a look through for what we can expect for this week. So right now, 27 degrees outside, feels like 19, so a little bit, quite a bit colder. Dew points in the 14 degrees with visibility 10 miles, nothing's clogging your view, and winds of about 7 miles right now. So going on into what can we expect for this week? Well, early in the week, we're going to see just a wintry mess where we're going to see a lot of different precipitation types occurring throughout the week. In the late week, we're going to have a lot of rain and a few snow showers happening, and we can expect temperatures to oscillate between being above and below temperature throughout the week. So to start that off, current right now temperatures, we can see that everywhere around us is below freezing with a lot colder temperatures up in that northeast region of State College here. And going out into the entirety of the state, we can see that trend continues with a lot warmer temperatures, such as Philly being in 33 above freezing, and going into the northeast, you have a lot colder temperatures in the high teens. Looking at wind for the future, we can see it might get quite a bit windy across the entire state today, today, bringing in strong gusts that we can expect. Hold on to your hats. Looking into tomorrow morning, it's going to be relatively calm, not much wind to be seen. And then continuing forward into Tuesday afternoon, we can see that the winds start picking up again in the Pittsburgh region on the western side of the state. But while we're going to see calmer winds on the eastern side. And then continuing into Wednesday, we're going to see the winds will start picking up quite a bit again, especially we see in Johnstown, they're seeing 28-mile-per-hour winds. Quite a bit windy down there. So looking at the radar and satellite, we see very few spots of some snow showers, maybe some flurries coming in the northeast area, maybe a little bit north central of State College. But for the most part, it's relatively dry and not too active out there. Taking a look across the country, we see relatively same pattern. We have a little bit of a system going off of the Carolinas, but there's nothing too much going on currently at the time. So taking a look at the pressure, we can expect this high pressure system to kind of remain over us in the region, bringing the more peaceful weather we will see today, unlike later on in the week. So that pressure is going to persist over this region, and we can see that there's this lower pressure that's going to start coming in, and it's going to come right through PA. That's going to be bringing a lot of different wintry mix that we'll see with a high pressure following right behind it. So what can we expect for in the future? Well, we can expect Tuesday in the southern region of PA. We can see that there's a good bit of snow that will occur that might trend a little bit northward. We'll get to see how that will turn out. But we can expect snow mostly in the south. So continuing on into Wednesday, we can see a little bit of rain coming through with snow. We see this wintry mix really occur in the middle of the states with the eastern, like Pittsburgh, seeing a bit more rain, and our northeast region seeing a good bit more snow. So continuing on, we can see that transitioning to Thursday, it will start drying out and we'll have return to more peaceful weather conditions, and Friday overnight will remain relatively dry. So what can we expect for the precipitation outlook? We can see that as the week continues, that percentage is really going to start increasing. Friday will drop significantly, being our least weather-filled day, with Saturday really picking back up again at 80%. So today's weather, we can expect about a high of 32 degrees. It's going to be quite chilly outside. Some clouds throughout the air. Below average temperatures. Winds will remain relatively calm, maybe picking up later in the evening. Going into tonight, it'll be a low of 20, so it'll drop a little bit. Mostly cloudy skies to persist, and winds will remain relatively calm as well. Now, what can we expect for tomorrow? With a high of 30 degrees, we're going to see chance showers throughout the morning and probably into the evening as well, with calmer winds again persisting. For our 7-day forecast, we can see that Monday, the entire week besides Thursday, is really going to stay below freezing. And Thursday is really going to bring up in temperature, and we're going to see some rain actually from that wintry mix and the snow we will see in the previous of the week. Heading into Saturday, we're going to see the wintry mix is going to pick back up, bringing in some of our precipitation. Now we'll taper off into Sunday, into more peaks of sunshine where we'll have a nice little break. From the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm Dominic Bentley.